Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be talking about the PUBG gameplay at 90 FPS test in the OnePlus 80 device. As you can see, friends. So I did same kind of video previously as well, and I did receive so many messages regarding this OnePlus 80 that the game actually shows the 90 FPS, but still the phone is not is playing at the 90 FPS because they are relying on this real-time FPS count meter. So these are real-time FPS count meter which is present in the OnePlus phones. So they are trying to turn on the real-time FPS count meter, and whenever they are trying to play the PUBG game, it's not showing 90 FPS. So in this video, I'll be trying to explain why and what is the reason as well. And let me quickly open the PUBG game right now and show you the 90 FPS support test in this phone right now. And I did enable the 120 Hz refresh rate before starting this game only. So let me try to show you the playlist for the OnePlus 80, and in case if you want to know more details about the OnePlus 80, try to check the links in description. You can find so many interesting videos which I already did on the OnePlus 80 device. And the problem with the default FPS count meter is that it only shows 60 FPS or 120 FPS. It doesn't show if the game supports 90 FPS. So that is another drawback with this inbuilt FPS count meter. So let me quickly show you the settings what I got right now here. As you can see, friends, I did get the 90 FPS directly in the PUBG without even using any kind of GFX tool. And in the initial days in the OnePlus 80, I did not have the update. So later on, after using the phone for the couple of weeks, then I received the PUBG update. Then the 90 FPS got enabled. So even though right now I'm trying to use the 90 FPS, but still, as you can see, the real-time FPS count meter, it's showing only 60 FPS. As you can clearly see, friends, but the game actually playing at the 90 FPS, but you will be seeing only at 60 FPS. So to prove this statement correct, I'll try to show you another game as well. So let me explain you that kind of statement why I mentioned that thing. So this is another game, Fortnite game. So Fortnite game also supports the 90 FPS gaming, so which is another game which is really good and more powerful, which will be utilizing the Snapdragon 865 chipset very good. So the Fortnite game actually supports the 90 FPS without any problem. But even though the game supports the 90 FPS, I think the FPS meter still will show at 60 FPS only. So let me try to demonstrate that. As you can see, so right now as soon as the game opens, it did change to the 60 FPS only. So one good thing with the Fortnite is that Fortnite will be having its own FPS meter inbuilt in the game. So there is another best way to check the FPS, how much you are getting in the Fortnite game instead of relying on this one. So what this all means is that the PUBG game actually playing at the 90 FPS, but you may not be noticing it in the FPS count meter. So that doesn't mean the PUBG is playing in the 60 FPS, but it actually plays in the 90 FPS only. So right now let me try to show you the Fortnite game. Go to the settings, and as you can see right now I selected the 90 FPS in the Fortnite game. As you can clearly see, 90 FPS is selected, and let me start playing the game and try to observe on the FPS count which is present in the Fortnite game. So you will see the difference from the real-time FPS count meter to the game inbuilt FPS count meter. So this is what happening with the PUBG game. So whenever you're trying to play using the 90 FPS settings, the real-time FPS count meter will not show more than 60 FPS, as you can see, whereas the Fortnite game is actually right now playing at, as you can see, 90 FPS without any problem. But the default FPS count meter, it doesn't go more than 60 FPS, as you can see, friends, clearly. Try to focus on this Fortnite game FPS count, how much I'm getting here. As you can see here, 78. And it's getting close to 90 FPS. Clearly you can see the Fortnite game right now, it's playing at 90 FPS, but the default FPS count meter is not showing the 90 FPS. So same thing is happening with the PUBG game as well. Even in the PUBG game, the game actually playing in the 90 FPS, but this FPS count meter is not changing at all, even though the game plays at 90 FPS. So this is a quick update on this FPS problem with the PUBG game in this OnePlus 80 device. So if you try to use any other third-party FPS count meter, maybe it does work in this OnePlus 80. But if you're using this default FPS count meter, it doesn't work in this OnePlus 80 device, and where it doesn't display playing at 90 fps. So thank you for watching this video, friends. For more videos, make sure to follow me regularly. I thought of clarifying this thing for the most of the users who are really concerned the fps count meter is not showing 90. So this is the situation. The fps count meter only shows 60 or 120. Only two things it does show, not the middle one, 90 fps. So they maybe the OnePlus should be giving an update to this fps count meter maybe in the future. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.